kitchen. Today we're gonna be making a shake. Our ingredients, we have kiwi, banana, of course strawberry, fresh from my garden. And if you want to add, you can have a little of the orange juice, milk, or if you want a cream, and additional of honey. Now what I'm going to do, guys, is I already prepared some of the frozen strawberry I put in here. So I melted a little. So what are we going to do is we will add a little of the kiwi, of course with the skin, and the clean strawberries. Since I already prepared the banana with a little juice and milk and honey, what we're going to do is to blend this. All process liquidized. Now we have the juice. Just see. So here's, guys, we have now our fresh some weights, you're gonna add some sugar in it, just a little juice. If you want to add a little water, it's up to you. Juice, a little milk if you want, and just the fruits. Then you can have a healthy drink. You can have it either in the morning before breakfast, or just simply your breakfast, and if you want, just simply your dinner. That's all for now, guys. I hope you like it and you learn how to make a healthy drink using fresh strawberry and some fruits. Okay, good night and goodbye for now, guys. See you for the next video. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon for some tips and ideas. Bye.